Welcome. Today we are looking at the MOMAX Smart Video Doorbell. It says there wire-free chime, 2K high resolution and IR night vision, motion detection. An image there of the doorbell and the chime that's included. Some pictures at the back. Some information there. So if I just show you the top of the box, this runs on the MOMAX Smart app. You could download it from the App Store or Google Play. And here it's letting us know that it's compatible with Alexa, Google, and another platform as well. After watching this video, if you decide you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video helpful, give it a like. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and do subscribe to watch more reviews. This is everything that was included inside the box. We get some paperwork. We get an instruction booklet in different languages. It's also giving us the specifications there of the doorbell. The model number for this is SL3S. Has a 6700 mAh battery and it records in 2K as it already said on the box. Standby time 10 months. Battery usage period 3 months, but that depends on how much traffic you have. Of course, if you have a lot of traffic, the battery will drain a lot quicker. Best thing about this doorbell is you don't have to run it on battery. You have the option to hardwire it as well. The infrared distance is 5 meters. Takes a micro SD card, maximum 128 GB, which is not included. IP65 weatherproof. We get a reset pin, some tape to mount the doorbell if you don't want to use the provided screws and wall plugs. Type A to micro USB cable. Quality seems decent. That's the security key. That's the security screw there. And that screw will only open with this key, so make sure you do not lose this. The chime, that's a speaker that will let sound out. That will light up that. At the back, that's the reset button there. And it has a built-in USB. So you could use your normal mobile phone charger or even your power bank or your computer to power this. Of course, that's the security screw there. Again, make sure you do not lose that. So you have some mounting holes here. That's what you would use to hardwire the bell. That's what it looks like from the back. That's soft, that. Moving on to the doorbell, on this side it has the micro USB charging port. Speaker at the bottom, nothing on this side, nothing at the top. At the back we have an information sticker. We have some contact points that match up with the bracket. If I remove this, we have a reset button there, power on off, and that's where the micro SD card will fit. I have a micro SD card here, which is 64 GB. And there's a little image there as well. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up to let you know which way the micro SD card will fit. So it just pushes straight in. Ambient light sensor, the lens, PIR sensor, microphone, status light, and then the bell button. I already have that up there, MOMAX. Now, because I've gone to other and it's come up MOMAX Smart Bell. Click on that. It's flashing. Next. I need to put the password in for my Wi-Fi. I'll quickly do that off camera. It's created a code. I need to scan. It's pairing. That was really quick, wireless. There we are, connected. Next, let's pair the chime to the doorbell. I'm using a power bank here. As you can see, the status light has lit up. I click on these 3 dots, go down to bell settings, chime type, digital. I have to set on digital. So I need to press reset on the chime. Go to bell settings, Press bind. And it should be working now, let's see. It's working, yeah. Hello? Sorry about that, there was a lot of feedback there. You could change the ringtones as well. That's loud. Okay, I'll leave that for now because I'm getting a lot of feedback. But it's paired up and that were really simple. Okay, I thought we'll have a quick look at the app. So as you can see, it says here MOMAX Smart IoT IP Camera Online. If I click on where it says Me, where it says Message Center, if I click on that, that's letting us know all the alarms that were triggered. It's taking pictures of them as well. So if that was someone at the door, it would have taken a picture of that person. Go to Home. Click on MOMAX. You can change that name, by the way. I've just left it as is. Standard definition or high definition, that depends on your internet or 4G. You can, of course, use this on your mobile data as well once you've done the initial setup. Battery, speaker. At the bottom, that will flip the screen around. The next to that, that will take a picture. And that's click. Oh. And that, of course, will start recording. If I click these arrows here, that's brought up some quick toggles. We have playback, gallery, color. Or you could change the color as well if you want. Night mode, anti-flicker, PIR, which is off at the moment. I'll turn that on. And that's on now. Edit. Messages, cloud. I don't have a cloud subscription. I'm using a micro SD card, but the option is there. And the three little dots, if I click on that, the top here, I could change the name of the doorbell. I'm leaving it as it is. Third party supported, Alexa and Google. Basic function settings. So time watermark, left that on. Talk mode, two-way. Then we have IR night vision. Detection alarm settings. PIR set. Could select the sensitivity. Power management settings. Storage settings. So it's very important to format your SD card. When you install your SD card, do come in here and format the SD card. Shared device. Then we have firmware information. That's the latest one. Now if I ring the doorbell, it's come through really quick. It says video calling, waiting for an answer. Answer it. Apologies for that, I did get a lot of feedback there. There you go, my friends, that was the MOMAX Smart Video Doorbell. Let me know what you think of the footage in the comment section below. In my opinion, this is a decent piece of kit. It's simple to set up. I like the app. If you want to pick it up, I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below. And please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.